In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Anthropic Claude with N8N. By the end, you'll have a clean starting point where N8N can talk to Anthropic using your API key, ready for prompts and automations. First, open your N8N workspace in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the dashboard where you can manage projects and workflows. If you're new to N8N, think of a workflow as a canvas where you connect nodes to automate tasks. That's what we'll set up for Claude. Next, create a new workflow. Look for the Create a Workflow button and open a blank canvas. Give it a clear name that you'll recognize later, like Claude Test Integration, so it's easy to find and reuse. You'll see the node panel where you can add building blocks to your flow. Now, let's add the pieces you need. In the node search bar, type Anthropic. You should see the Anthropic node that handles requests to Claude. Add it to the canvas. To make testing easier, also add a simple trigger so your workflow can start on demand. The manual trigger is perfect for this because it lets you run the workflow from the editor whenever you're ready. Place the manual trigger on the left, the Anthropic node to the right, and connect them so the flow runs from trigger to Anthropic. Renaming nodes like Start and Claude helps keep things organized. Before the Anthropic node can work, you need to set credentials. Open the Anthropic node, find the Credentials or Authentication section, and choose to create new credentials. In a new tab, go to your Anthropic account and locate your API key. Copy the key from the provider's site, return to N8N, and paste it into the credentials form. Keep this key private and never share it in screenshots or logs. Save your credentials, then confirm the Anthropic node is using the newly saved set. If your workspace supports environments or multiple projects, double-check that the credentials are available to this workflow. At this point, your connection is set up, the trigger can start the flow, and the Anthropic node is authorized to call Claude using your API key. From here, you can configure prompts, map inputs, and shape outputs. But the core integration is in place and ready for your automations. Save your workflow so your changes persist, and you're done. You've connected Anthropic Claude with N8N in a clean, repeatable way that you can build on for chat, content generation, or decision workflows.